Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 6105E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Has a John Deere H260 quick attach front loader that goes with the machine. The tractor has 105 horsepower, has just under 1,100 hours on it. It's a very nice, very clean tractor. It does have the 24x12 transmission, which is the upgraded transmission in these tractors. It does have the global cell hookup here for your quick attach on your bucket. 6-foot front bucket on it. Has the front grill guard. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. Has the mirrors on the cab, 2 doors in the cab. 38-inch rear tires they are the Radial tires. Rear work lights back here on the cab as well. Telescopic 3-point arms. Has the stabilizer bars on both sides. 540 and 1000 PTO. Top link, dual rear SCVs. Those are the stackable valves, so you can easily stack triple SCV on there if you'd like. The tires back here does look like somebody turned a little too short at one point. Certainly doesn't hurt the integrity of the tire, but it is noticeable there visibly. The windows on the cab are tinted, so that really helps when you're out in the heat of the summer. It really reduces heat as well as sun glare. A nice feature. Has the air ride seat here that swivels left and right. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser here allows you to change direction without clutching. Again, it does have the 24x12 transmission. You have 4 ranges back here, 3 gears which are synchronized on this lever, and then the power high-low, which is shifted with the 2 buttons right here. So you can shift that power high-low without clutching in every gear there. So that's a nice feature as well. Loader control here with an easy reach. 3-point hydraulic, PTO, and hand throttle all over there to the right. Up top you've got the radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, sun visor. As you can see, the tractor is extremely clean inside and out. And again, it also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. We do also offer low-rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. We also take trades. If you have trades, certainly just text or email us some pictures, and we'll be happy to quote that for you. If you have questions on this unit, please contact us.